want you to see the kind of dirt that is here. Are you guys able to see that? Look at that. A lot of dust. So I'll be cleaning it. Yeah, so that is what I'm going to do right about now. Good morning guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. I'm also doing good, guys. For those of you who are new here, my name is Lindsay Shans. Kindly consider subscribing, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I get to upload a new video, you will be among the first person to be notified. So today, guys, my house is so messy, and as the title suggests, today I'm going to do a motivational cleaning. I'm cleaning the whole house. So I have actually removed the curtains, so I'll show you in a few, and everything is just in a mess. So I'm going to show you how the current situation right here. This is the situation kwa ground. But anywho, I hope you'll enjoy this video. Don't forget to also subscribe, guys. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and by you subscribing tutakuwa umenisaidia mahali tutakuwa tukisonga, and it also helps the channel to grow. Remember, subscribing is free. It is absolutely free. You'll not be charged for anything when you subscribe, so kindly consider subscribing. I have a sore throat, that's why I have your Raf's voice. So I'm going to show you the current situation. I want you people to know I kuangi bougie all the time. Yes, kuna zile time it is messy, and I'm going to show you. So tusipate stress on these social media streets at blah blah blah, you know, and with people showing us their bougie houses, the way they look nice, and they don't show us actually how they look when they are messy. So I'm going to show you everything, guys. This is the current situation. Everything is messy. Watch. Everything is messy, so messy here. So I want to show you. Yes, so these ones are clean clothes. Nimetoa nje. I want to fold them. Everything is messy. Yes, I have everything all over. Don't mind, because everything is going into place just right now. Okay, so I want you to see everything messy. My sink messy. Okay, everything is messy. You can see sink ni chafu, the floor is dirty, everything is messy. I was washing plate here, unaona, everything is messy. Everything is messy. So as you can see, nimetoa curtains from there, and you can see we have a beautiful view. We have a voluminous window there. So nimetoa curtains hapo, ziko nje, nimesoka, and I'll be showing you in a few. Nimetoa pia ya mlango hapo, you can see I have removed them. So everything is messy. I'm going to show you my bed also as well. Everything is messy here. So but I'm going to fix everything nikiosha, and then I'll be sharing with you. It's a motivation, you know. Do at least motivate someone out there. When your house is messy, you can always do something about it, and don't mind about that. It's normal for a house to be messy sometimes. I want to remove these carpets. I'll be removing them. Zitakuwa zinaoshwa, so I'll just do away with them. You'll see what I'll be doing, so keep it here. Let's see how I'll transform this house from messy to bougie. Yay! Don't forget to like like my people, and share. Also share. So that is it, guys. For those of you who don't know, this house is a studio apartment. I did what do you call a house tour. So if you've not checked that video, I'll leave the link on the description box, so that you can also check that video out. Yay! So let's get started, guys. Okay, let me go and show you outside. I have soaked I hope it's clear enough. I've soaked the curtains here and I'll be washing them. I don't have a washing machine. I'm doing laundry mimi mwenyewe, okay? So I've removed them and I'll be washing. So I'll show you. Na omo ndio hii hapa na kipande. We'll just be doing na mikono. Yeah. But when God provides a washing machine, then I'll share with you. But right now I'm doing it mimi mwenyewe. So guys, keep it here, okay?
Come take my hand and let's fly. Leave this place. No time for looking back, 'cause by the time we reach the sky, we will be drifting in seas of sunshine. If you nested in mine, when you're ready for this, come find me, singing every morning love songs for you. By the time your heart beats with mine, every tree will sing a sweet melody. By the time you shine your light, every sea will find its way completely. When you're ready for this, come find me, singing every morning love songs for you. Come take my hand and let's fly. Leave this place. No time for looking back, 'cause by the time we reach the sky, we will be drifting in seas of sunshine with a rest in your.
So guys, I'm going to be actually cleaning this seat, and I want you to see the kind of dirt that is here. Are you guys able to see that? Look at that. A lot of dust. So I'll be cleaning it. Yeah, so that is what I'm going to do right about now.
Come take my hand and let's fly.
So guys, my seats are now, this one is now sparkling clean, and you can see the way it looks like right here. See there? It's nice now. Let me do the other one.
Come take my hand and let's fly. Leave this place. No time for looking back, 'cause by the time we reach the sky, we will be drifting in seas of sunshine with a rest in your mind. I lose all sense of time. Wouldn't it feel sublime if you never
see, my seats are sparkling clean and I'm happy. So guys, I'm actually done wiping the seats. So now what I'm going to do right about now is I'm going to go under the seats tutoe ile uchafu iko huko chini, right? Stay with me because you want to see this, right? Going under the seats. Yeah. Wow, guys, I need to show you this. Look at how dirty that is. So I'm just going to wipe them out, and then huku pia aipanguza kidogo, then tupanguze the whole house. Look at my seats. They are so smart. Look at that here, and I'm happy.
Take my hand and let's fly. Leave this place. No time for looking back, 'cause by the time we reach the sky, we will be drifting in seas of sunshine with a rest in your mind. I lose all sense of time. Wouldn't it feel sublime if you nested in mine? When you're ready for this, come find me, singing every morning love songs for you. By the time your heart beats with mine, every tree will sing a sweet melody. By the time you shine your light, every seed will find its way completely. When you're ready for this, come find me, singing every morning love songs for you.
Wow, a lot of that is coming out, but I'm so happy I'm doing this, guys. You should also try it. I know sometimes we get so busy, we don't have even time.
Come take my hand and let's fly. Leave this place. No time for looking back, 'cause by the time we reach the sky, we will be drifting in seas of sunshine with a rest in your mind. I lose all sense of time. Wouldn't it feel sublime?
Are you still there, my beautiful people? We are still on it. Usafi. Kaende.
Come take my hand and let's fly. Leave this place. No time for looking back, 'cause by the time we reach the sky.
Okay, so guys, I'm going to give you a quick video of how now my house looks like, so you can just see how beautiful it looks like. that area. You can see how clean that is. Look at that. Look at that, guys. It is clean, 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 clean. So I've wiped there, so it is now clean, guys. Everything is now in order. So let me just show you. And you can see that, you can see how clean it is. So my bed also. So if you've watched my house tour, I said on Saturdays I don't do my bed. I just leave it like that. So that is where my baby sleeps. Yes, so that is basically how the situation is. Yay. So if you like this kind of content, kindly don't forget to give this video a like